Just disassembled the climate control. You see I disassembled it completely, disassembled this here, took this clip out, pushed the pin out, 3 springs, and now you got to be careful. You see those contacts all clean with a Brillo pad. It used to look like this, all tarnished. I did the same thing with this, completely disassembled it. Same thing, got a clip in there, push it out, 3 springs in there, and if you got a 80 something, this right here would be, you got to be careful when you take this clip out, keep pressing on it because it's a spring in there and it'll push that ball out. I mean, it'll shoot it out. You need to make sure you're somewhere like on a towel and have it laying. If you got a 70 something, maybe 78 to 81, 82, I don't know for sure, it don't have that, so you won't have to worry about that. But yep. But this is it. See, I got it lubed up completely. I took this, raised this up, pushed that pin out, lubed it up, completely lubed it up, lubed those slots up there, lubed it up completely, those slots, lubed this up in here, got it clean. I still got to do some more. I didn't see that in there just a minute ago. I saw a little dust in there, but got it lubed up so where this cable here rides that. And man, that's it, man. Stay tuned, getting it done. This was the last thing that I had to disassemble on this car, this being this a restoration. This was the last piece that I had to disassemble on it. Everything has come off this car and been taken apart except for the trunk. And man, this is it, man. So stay tuned.